Action.
New beer sponsor.
Yeah, Peroni, if you're watching.
At least it's not a fruity beer.
Oh,
I don't like. Well, it's
Italian
not.
beer.
It's not fruity anyway.
No, it's just
you know how they have those stupid beers where they put touch of peach
it's all
in there or some
right,
shit.
it's a lager.
You know? Maybe Loganberry. Who the
Yeah.
fuck would put Loganberry in a beer? But anyway, I digress.
Yeah. No. Can you tell Craig doesn't like
Fruity beer.
IPAs?
Is that what it is?
IPAs? Yeah, you don't like them.
I think they're very.
They're fruity and there's got nutmeg and
Yeah, that's right.
Chili and chocolate and
shit
all
that shouldn't be in a beer.
Beer.
It should be just beer. That's exactly right. Beer. That's it.
Yeast, water,
Vegemite.
Yeast and water.
Yeah, that's right. That's what Vegemite is.
Is it?
Well, Vegemite's made from all the old beer hops, all the shit that they make beer out of. You know that.
How come I really like beer, but I don't
Didn't
like
you know that? Oh, that's right. You're not Australian.
Yeah, I'm not Australian. Until I get my citizenship, I might like
foreign.
it.
Foreign. No, as soon as you get your citizenship, they give you a jar of Vegemite.
And that's it. You have to eat it in front of them.
Yeah, by the spoonful. Yeah. But anyway. Hi.
So this week has been lots of rubbing and sanding and painting.
Rubbing, sanding, painting, scraping.
Scraping. Polishing.
Oh, yeah, and polishing. Yeah, just
so
lots of rubbing.
Yeah, the extend cab pickup.
My arms are sore.
We did a lot of rubbing. Got the cab painted. Got the rear valance painted. I've wet sanded and polished the front guards, and the valance panels are sort of halfway.
Yep.
Getting there. They look really good. Coming up nice.
Yeah.
Once again, with my new skills, I'll put them up over there. I'll put a picture of me videoing.
New skills over there. Okay. In that corner?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. I see that they do that all now. I'll put it up here on this corner and this corner, and it's always wrong. They point to that corner and it comes up in that corner, but anyway. And the coupe ute, the cab, the back quarters had already been stripped, but the cab had been primed many years ago, and then sat in a shed or whatever, and it got a lot of moisture, and you could see there was rust forming underneath it, surface rust. So I've just spent the last 2 days with a heat gun and a scraper scraping all that off, so that now we can clean it up and go back to bare metal and start from scratch. Otherwise, it just would have created headaches. So
down the track, that surface rust underneath just would have bitten.
Well, it comes through and bubble up and like that. And this is another new thing. Yes. It's not ours.
Not ours, no. One of our customers, in fact, a couple of years ago, we did a big blue 37 Ford truck. Once again, I'll put a picture up.
The big blue truck. Put the picture there.
There?
If I point to different, can you? Do you know where you're going? I want it there this time.
Put it there. So we did that truck for them, and then they rang up and said, "Well, we want a hot rod," and they bought this unfinished project from another customer that had bought a bit of stuff off us over the years for this. So it's here. We probably won't work on it for a few weeks, but they dropped it off.
Well, we're going to the USA in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes.
For 3 weeks.
3 weeks. So there's
5 weeks.
That's
no, a few is 3.
That's 5.
No, it's not. It's 3.
Three's
no, couple, and then few.
I would have thought couple 2, few 5.
Well, where's 3 and 4?
In between a few and
couple. Okay.
No,
I always no, it's truffle. No.
And we've got a customer.
Okay. So anyway, we're not working on this yet.
Yes.
We'll worry about it when we get back.
Back up.
But it's going to be carbide LS.
Yes, carbide LS Turbo 400.
Yeah.
Black.
Aircon.
Yeah. Be a nice car.
Yeah.
And the customer that came in and interrupted us, we sold him a project that was part of a deceased estate. So in this corner, I'll put a couple of little videos of that up. That corner? Which corner do you want? You choose.
Whatever. I want that corner this time.
Okay. Yeah. So the other thing we're going to start doing is every Friday we're going to do our videos because we just generally talk. We're going to get sort of update on the events that are happening in Perth coming up for the weekend.
So if you're in Seattle, you're out of luck.
Good to you. You know? But if you've got events in your city and you've got 4 people that watch us, maybe tell us.
Send us a message and we'll mention it.
So
if you want us to advertise your event, send us a message and
we'll
advertise a link to the 6 people that watch this show. I think my dad's one, my brother, and my 2 kids.
Yeah. And that's it.
That's about it. Yeah.
So this weekend, so tomorrow evening, Custom Cars and Coffee have a Twilight
at Midvale.
Midvale.
So that's 5:30.
5:30. Richie's doing one in Mandurah. So that's what, Southern Cars and Coffee.
Yep.
In Mandurah doing the same thing about 5 o'clock.
I think so. Yep.
And then
Sunday there's the
Riverton Pub.
Bacon and Bumpers.
Something like that. I think it's from 8 till 11.
Yeah.
At the Riverton Forum Shopping Centre, or the tavern.
Wherever the
Riverton's
pub
pub.
is.
The river.
Look up pub.
Look up pub.
Look up pub in Riverton.
I'll see if I can find. I don't.
And put it there. Put it in that corner.
I don't know. Well, I don't. So I don't know. They've got. If they do a flyer,
yeah,
I think they just go. But there's a Facebook page, and if you type in the Riverton Pub and Bacon and Bumpers, it should come up.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
I think that's about it. Yeah.
That's all we're going to talk about. Next week, we'll talk about how we'll be going to America.
Yeah.
Going to Grand National.
Yeah, Grand National Roadster Show. It's going to be a good year this year.
Yeah, 75th anniversary.
So they're getting a lot of the old winners.
Yes, previous cars, previous winners. So it should be really good.
And some of the new cars that I've seen that are going to debut there.
Oh, yeah. It looks good. Looks good.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
See ya. I already finished my beer. Out there.